Hello, guys. Good evening. Welcome to live. Okay. So yesterday I gave task to my students to create a Google Ads. Before that, they need a website. So they worked on the website. I asked them to work on ODMT only to bring the leads. Actually, Pawan, I'm not going to work on this. You change this. So go to ODMT page. There is a logo. Just changes. Remove this workspace. So I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. Whenever you're running a Google Ads, a good landing page, any page or landing page is really mandatory. So there are few things you have to add so that your sales will increase. Some people run very good Google Ads, but they're not getting results, maybe because of the landing page only. So the best landing page should have the following qualities. You want to sell a product.
Sir, screen.
Screen I'm showing already.
No, it doesn't appear, sir.
You can't see the screen.
Yes.
You can see it right?
Yes.
Yeah. See, don't get confused with the landing page. Landing page is nothing but whenever running an ad, someone click which page you go, that is a landing page. There is a separate landing page people called, means without any website, you can create landing pages as well. Okay. That's why they call it as a landing page. But here, whatever the home page, whether you're giving a home page or about us page, let us assume at the landing page. So the particular landing page should have the following qualities. Yeah. So you want to buy a product in the market. Whenever you want to buy the product, you will see many things, right? Product quality, how it is, what is the price, okay? The person who is selling, you know what? Sometimes you will buy the product only because of this guy quality. This guy is hyperactive and he is able to sell it well, very well. There is a possibility we'll buy it. Sometimes you will see the reviews as well, whether the reviews are good or not. Based on that, also you will buy the product. One second, guys, just with me. Yes, guys, sorry for that. So you will buy the product based on these things. You will check the product quality, price, the person who's selling, how the reviews or not. I'm talking about the physical product. When you been to the website as well, okay, now this is a online era. People have to purchase within online also. They will see everything. First of all, product quality means your website quality, how the quality is there. This is the first impression. Make sure that give a very good quality of the website. Again, here quality, visual appealing should be good, and it should load very fast as well. Okay. Second, obviously they'll check the price of your course. Okay. Okay. This is the secondary thing, first of all. Next, here there will be no person, but if you have a live chat or chatbot support, that will be good. They feel like a person is there solving the solution. Now they feel okay, this is not like a boat, people are there. Next, reviews. In your website only, there should be a reviews. Your past student reviews, past customer reviews, you should showcase. So it's like a social proof that okay, it's not only the me, already many people have purchased the product. They also gave the review. These all things make the customer to take the decision. Whereas the physical word, a person should be there and sell it. There is no person. So doing a sale is very challenging. But if you keep in mind, this will be really good actually. Okay. Now, if it is e-commerce, definitely I'll buy immediately. But if it is not e-commerce, my digital marketing, so there should be a lead form, contact form, lead form. Remember, here is the lead form, right? Customer came here. Scroll down. There is a form. Scroll down. Users' behavior is very strange. Sometimes they forgot that there is a form. Here is no form. They leave it. That's why try to have a contact form in multiple places. The good website, good landing page should be in such a way that whenever customer loads, immediately one form should be there. And if the page is very big, sometimes in the middle, sometimes in the last, you have to be there. I'll show you one of the website which I've created for my client. So being a designer, you have to always think towards the strategy, how to give a sale. Even designing also, you should not learn like normal designing, colors, background. No, you should think like a strategist. Okay, this website will give sale or not. Now see this. This will belong to credit repair. So if anyone have a bad credit, this guy will come and fix. To keep in that mind, what I did is I put a background image of a happy family so that they had a problem with the credit. They fixed it. They're happily enjoying now. So bad credit, we can help you. That feeling it gave. Then immediately I'm giving a call to action button. Book your appointment now. Someone click, it will go to the page where the appointment is. I'm giving the freedom to the customer to choose whatever he want. Next, if you escape here, if you scroll down, again I'm giving a contact form. Then after few benefits, you see I'm showing a social proof what my customers are saying, and I'm showing the numbers as well. Then video testimonials also. Now customer will get a confidence. Okay, this is not a normal website; it's a very pretty old website. Real people are there; they're giving the reviews as well. You can see again one more time contact form is there. When people scroll down again, one more time call to action button is there. Again, footer, there is a phone number, email ID, multiple ways to get the lead. If everything is missing, I have a chatbot here as well, which is automatic again. So, designing a website, a normal, no. The reason why we create a website is bring traffic to the website at the same time bring the lead. Okay, Muhammad Aftab shopping ads I'll show you, but not now. We'll go as a sequence, right? So as of now, students have designed this website. This is pretty cool. There is a contact form, but it is not repeated multiple times. I want that to be repeated multiple times. Okay. And even in the phone footer, you should mention the phone number. Pawan, keep in mind, try to have the phone number over here. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, guys, one more important thing is whenever you see conversion trackings, today I'm going to show you conversion tracking because when is a physical business is there, uh, someone purchased the product, you can see that okay, this guy is converted, but on a website you can't track it actually. People come and fill the form. You should know that people are filling the form. So how to track that conversion? So here, let's say this form, I'm trying to fill the details. Let's see what happens. We are in the URL called tech.woozy.in. I'm clicking on submit. It is immediately mentioning that thanks for contacting us. We'll be in touch with you shortly. This is not a perfect form. It has to redirect. It has to redirect. Just see this. What's happening here? So we are in fastfreedomacademy.com. Now I'm clicking on the submit button. Now see the URL. It's redirected to thank you page. Now immediately got a message. Now see here, if 100 people clicked on my website or ad, 20 people came back here means 20 people have filled the form. There is no possibility that people click on any link and go to thank you page. If they fill the form, then only they come here. So always you have to design your form like this. Otherwise, you will not get a perfect conversions. So for this, I'm going to change this website now. So I think here they're using a WP forms in a free option. There is no such option of redirecting to another page. That's why what I'm doing is I'm changing the plugin. I'm using the contact form by Subsystic. Let me use that contact form by Subsystic. So this one I'm activating. Let me create one new form. So whenever you're generating a leads, taking the basic form here, save. Yeah, first name, last name, email, subject. So the fields are not good. So I'm going to the fields, I'm changing. Guys, these all things have been explained in my WordPress. People who not attended my website designing classes, it's there in my post videos. Just check them. I don't want last name. I'm deleting this. I don't want subject. I don't want message. I don't want reset. What I want is a phone number. Again, this is also not first name. It's just the name is enough. Name, email ID, phone number, add new field. There is a number. Yeah, phone number. Name, email ID, phone number. Don't try to have multiple fields. If you have 7 to 8, nobody is going to fill it. So this much is enough. Then save. Next, copy this and paste it wherever you want. Now my home page, I'm ready with Elementor. Here, Pawan has used WP forms. I'm replacing with this contact form by Subsystic. So here it is there. What I'm doing is if I delete, okay. I'm adding one more field here, short code. I hope you're understanding.
Yes, sir.
Name, email ID, phone number. Okay. Name, email ID, phone number. Then, okay, we'll add later anyway. Let's see this. Apply. So I think I didn't update it here. That's why it's not coming. Just now updated. Okay, look wise that was good actually. Let me control the thing. Update. You can add something else. Yeah, this is becoming bigger. What I can do is here line section. Yeah. So that it's look better now. Please fill your details because everything matters. Let me. Yeah. Right. Okay. This is fine actually. Once they come here, immediately name, email ID, phone number, and send button. But as of now, this as well, when you fill the details here, again, it's not going to any page, it's staying here only. This is wrong. To change that, what you have to do is, first of all, what you need is, should have a new page, thank you page. It's not a magic that directly it will go to thank you page. So I'm creating a thank you page here. Guys, all of you are understanding? Pawan, Lakshmi,
Yes,
Mallikarjun.
sir.
Yeah, so which is very important actually. If you miss all these things means you will not track conversions properly. So thank you. And someone fill the form, it come to this page. Thank you very much for contacting us. Our team get back to you soon. If you want immediate assistance, call us on. Have you mentioned your number now? One second, guys. Right, guys. So actually, Ganesh Jyoti started, so many calls are coming, guys. Sorry for the disturbance. Logesh, what is your question? Okay. Okay, thank you page has been created. and I'm publishing this and view the page. Again, I'm telling you, most of the time you face recently when my subscriber asked the question, how to change the page ID by default. Does anybody remember, guys, this? Does anybody remember this? How to change the page ID? Yes, yes.
Yes. Permalinks.
Right. So this is my thank you page. I copy this. Then I go back to my contact form by Subsystic, where the form has been created. Now, here, fields we have changed: name, email ID, phone number, send button, submit options. Once click on the submit button, where it has to go, you'll be getting a message, thank you for contacting us, but redirect after. It has to redirect after this page. If you want, you can open in a new tab as well. It's up to you, but not required. So I'm mentioning this. This is really important for the conversion tracking. This helps you a lot. Now I'm going to show you how this is going to work for you. So there was a website created by Pawan. There was a WP form. In the free option, there is no option to go to thank you page. That's why first I installed contact form by Subsystic. I created a form. I changed some options. Now I redirected to thank you page as well. Let's see whether it is working or not. And immediately it is redirecting. Whenever it is redirecting means we can able to track the conversions. This is mandatory. Next, I told you, right, customer saw this, but when he scrolled down, he forgot. So at the end, I'll try to have one more contact from here. So for this, what I'm doing is copying this, coming back here, here, one more here, free demo today, and I'm adding the code here, code. This is going to be the bigger one. Submit. Right. Now here is the one. When I scroll down at the end also, this will really work actually. In mobile phone, it looks, if you really want to see the mobile version, just scroll, make it small and see here. Starting is like this, immediately form is like this. When you scroll down at the end also, it is there. This is the good one. Apart from that, try to have a live chat, WhatsApp or chatbot button. This looks engaging. This is fine now. At the same time, in the footer, make sure that have phone numbers and link to your social media, so that there is a possibility they will see how are you present on Facebook, Twitter. This all matters, you know. Designing is an art. Okay, now we're done, guys.
Sir, I don't know how to modify the footer, sir. I search for the setting to edit it.
How to change the footer?
Yes, sir.
Footer, it's very easy. Show you. Can you suggest whether such a form is required? You know, Divina Thomas, every education institute, that is really important actually. Okay. So you, as long as you're generating leads, means you require it. Footer pawn, it depends on the theme, Sometimes in the theme itself, in the widget, header and footer options will be there. Let's try it. Widgets, categories here, footer widget one, it's there already. Here, what is showing here? The workplace, yeah, it's here actually. Already footer here. So I'm
Okay.
writing footer on. I'll show you whether it is updating or not. See, it's updating. So in the widget option, it is there. Title, where is that option? Choose. Okay. Remaining things, if you don't want, you can delete them anyway, but spend some time and make it as attractive. Give different parts of the link, something like that. Okay, so we're done with the website. Few modifications are there that Pawan will take care. Now, how to set up conversion tracking, I'm going to show you. Conversion tracking is very important. You can do with Google itself, within the Google itself, or else you can do with the Google Analytics as well. Google Analytics is the very easy one. Today I'm going to show you Google Ads one. In the next class, I'll show you Google Analytics one. Okay, right. Pawan, when are you going to finish this campaign?
Today, sir.
Have you collected the money?
No, sir. They'll just send right away if I ask them.
Acha. So do one thing. If you want to get a boost, change this number, put your number only, because you will come to know because of your campaigns how many calls are coming, whether you're doing a right campaign or not.
Okay, sir. I'll
So that is good. So put your number only. Once you get the call from the customer, talk to them and forward to this number. So she is handling
Okay.
all the 6 months batch, 3 months batch. Just forward to her so that you can count that. Okay, because of your campaign, this many leads comes. Okay. If you put
Okay,
our
sir.
number, directly she will go. Again, she doesn't know from where the lead is coming. That's why put your number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you understood, right? How to change the footer?
Yeah, I
Appeal,
understood.
widget. These are all the options.
Yeah.
Footer, widget, two. What all the options are there? If you don't want any of them, you can delete them. So here there is an option.
Actually, I searched for the edit option in Elementor, sir. That's what I made a mistake.
See, I'm editing them. I'm deleting all of them. You will be adding whatever the widget you want. You can add it. Okay. Or else- so many things in there. Okay. So how to do that? Conversion tracking. I'm going to show you. Today I'm supposed to show you search term, auction insights, quality score and all. But because you haven't created a campaign, I'm not showing you. Please somehow try to do it today so that I'll show you. Okay. Before running ads, as I told you, your landing page has to be good. Product quality means website quality should be good. Your price should be competitive. Uh, Here, a live chatbot is there. It's much better actually. Social proof should be there. Lead form. Try to repeat the lead form multiple times. That is also good. And make sure that if it is a service-based industry, thank you page is mandatory. Once it is done, set up conversion tracking. Before that, you created a search network campaign. Second. So right. So make sure that take phrase match keywords. Third, automatic bidding should be there. Anyway, these days Google by default taking the automatic bidding. And fourth is max CPC should be there. How to decide the max CPC? Yesterday I told you, go to keyword planner, see lowest and highest biddings, so that you'll come to know what is the max CPC you have to decide. Then fifth, add ad extensions. Right. Mandatory ad extensions are site link, site links. These extensions are mandatory. Make sure that your ad copy is good. Okay. Always take care of these checklists. Whenever you're creating a Google Ads campaign, most of the people complain that my campaign is not getting leads, it's not profitable. There might be a number of reasons for this. So make sure that you go through the checklist. First, website should be good. You should follow all these things. Second thing is all this. Once it is done, set up conversion tracking. Once the setup, once your ad is live, I'm going to show you how to read the analytics, what is going wrong, how to fix the issues. Later you will learn. So how to set up conversion tracking. First of all, why is conversion tracking? Because assume that your daily budget is 1,000, your CPC is 100. So total 10 clicks are possible per day. 10 clicks are happening. Okay, 30 days, 300 clicks. But how many clicks are converting, how much money I'm investing, how much profit you getting, you can't calculate manually. There should be a system which should do automatically. So Google Ads have that mechanism to select the conversion tracking. If you don't set up a conversion tracking, it doesn't mean that you will not get sales. You will get a sales, but we should have a proof so that your next campaign will be good. That's why we do set up conversion tracking. So how to set up conversion tracking here? So once you go to Google Ads, tools and settings, measurement, conversions, tools and settings, measurement, conversion. So because this is my old website is looking like this, for you, there is an option called a plus symbol here, new conversion. Then it will ask you what conversion you want. You want conversion for a website, app, phone calls, and you can import directly from a Google Analytics and a third party applications. Obviously, we want to track the website conversions only. Again, here if you see online sales, link clicks, page views, and signups. So I'm clicking on the website conversions. Okay. Previously, this was not available. These days, they're asking you just go through this. Just paste the website domain and scan it. I'll tell you the reason next class why they're asking this before it was not there. Okay, create conversion actions manually using the code. Choose this option. So add conversion actions manually. Why I'll tell you next class. Okay, before you do the conversion, first of all, understand there are different websites. Someone tell me, guys, what would be the conversion for this website? What do you mean by conversion for this website? When you feel a conversion, yes, for this website, what is a conversion? When you call it as a conversion, Lakshmi, Mallikarjun, Pavan, online students, what is the conversion here?
when they when they follow the
Vibina
selected command.
Thomas, Vibina Thomas, correct. Filling the form is a conversion. I'm opening another website. Can you please tell me what is the conversion for this website? It's an e-commerce website. For this website, you said filling the form is a conversion. What is the conversion for this website? Yeah. For e-commerce website, what is the conversion?
Buying the products or signing up.
Ravi Kumar, add to cart is not conversion. Someone purchased. Someone purchased is a conversion. Okay. For a service based, filling the form. For e-commerce purchase, what about the blog? This is my blog. Here I'm not selling it. Here I'm not providing any service. It's not a lead generation. And here I'm not selling something like this one. Then what would be the conversion here? So what would be the conversion for my blog? Any answer is appreciated. Visitor, visitors are there. Once visitors comes, then only conversion. But after that, what action is called as a conversion? You're right. For
Commenting,
service-based
sharing,
industry, lead is a conversion. E-commerce, purchase. For a blog, comment is not a conversion, but session duration, how much time the person is spending time is a conversion. Okay, because if the person spend more time on my website, he will see more ads. There is a possibility I'll get him more money. So what I'm trying to tell you is different websites have a different conversions. That's why Google Ads ask you what is your website category, what is your goal category. Is your website is about a sales like the purchase, add to cart, begin checkout, subscribe? Okay, is it a sales category? Is it a leads category like contact form, submit lead form, book appointment, sign up, request code, get direction, outbound links? Or page view image is a blog category? Someone tell me this digital marketing one, which comes under which category? Is it a sales category or lead category or the blog category?
lead category.
Lead category. Okay. How to link WhatsApp with Google Ads? There is no relation between Google Ads and WhatsApp actually. With a Google Ads, customer will come to website. In a website, you can have a WhatsApp button. Okay, so I'm going for the lead categories, contact. Then conversion name is contact form field, just the name. If you want, you can give the value as well, like how much, because of customer fill the form, how much value you got it. Okay, either you can use the same value or different value if you don't use the value. If it is e-commerce, definitely you should give a value and you will get a different values. So one product $20, one product $40. But here every time you'll get the same money only. Okay. But do you really think that filling the form is a conversion? He just fill the form. You don't know whether it's converted or not. Here some maths is important. You have to do some maths. Okay. Some rough numbers. Instead of that, it's better you can don't use the value. No, no, no. I want to use the value means you should understand your previous data. Like I'll tell you something. For my ODMT business, I got 5 leads. Total 5 leads. 5 people fill the form. But every person who fills the form, it doesn't mean that he'll join. Maybe one person. Assume that this guy has joined. Because this guy joined, and our coach fees, we have two courses. One is 3 months and one is 6 months. 3 months, assume that we're taking 25. For round figure, I'm taking 20. But Google works in such a way that everyone fill the form, right? I have to assign some value. It will not accept. But for me, only this guy joined, not 5 people joined. So what I'm going to do is total 5 people, one conversion, 20,000 by 5. Then it will be 4,000. I'll be assigning 4K for this guy, 4K, 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 4K. Total 20K. So there is no loss. Nothing but what Google will do is each time customer fill the value, fill the form, you have to assign a value. But when it comes to our business, each time customer fill the form, I'm not getting money, only one person. So with my old data, what I understood is every 5 people fill the form, one person is converting. I'm getting 20,000. I'm distributing to everybody. So if you really want to have a number, then use the same value. You have to give a 4,000 over here. No, I don't want to have a rough data. Then what you can do is don't use the value. It's up to you. Next, count. Will you count every time? Customer, one person, one came here, he filled the form 5 times, but he's not going to join 5 times. So at the time, you have to count only once. But the same one can go to e-commerce website, he can buy 5 times. If yours is an e-commerce website, count every. If it is a lead based, one. I'll repeat everything. Okay, click on done. So what I done here is click on tools and setting, measurement, conversions. There are different kinds of conversions here. Whether you have to select is at a website, or app, phone call, or import. Select website conversion. Then enter the domain name and scan it. Again, in next class, I'll tell you why we're doing this. Simply go to add conversion action manually. Here you have to select what is your category. Is it a sales category or leads category or blog category? I've been for a lead category as of now. What is the name? Whether you want to take a value, whether you want to count every or one. E-commerce website, you have to count every. Remaining, you have to count none. And everything is done. Then scroll down. No need all these things. Done. So next, second, just wait me, save, done, save and continue. Yeah, guys. So here it's very important once you're done, There are two codes, guys, here. So can you see this code? You have to copy this code and you have to paste in every page. Every page. Then there is one more code, event snippet. Both of them. The first code, you don't need to remember this because I'm going to show you the easy one. If anyone want to follow the Google Ads one, do this. Copy this code and paste it in every page. Every page means you don't have to go to your hundreds of pages and do it. I'll tell you the easy way. Go to Appearance, Theme File Editor. And here, header and footer option is there. Click on header. Here before the head section, here paste the code. Which code? This code. This is the global site tag. It should be there in every page. That's why I'm pasting over here. Every page it will be there. Next. I'm not doing, nobody do this because Google Analytics one I'll teach you, that will be more easy. Now here, what it is happening, every person coming to your page, it is tracking. But I want to know how many people are coming to thank you page. So this is the one. Event snippet code. This event snippet code without work with a global site tag. The first code is mandatory. Once you copy that code, then copy this. This code has to be there in a thank you page only. All of us we have seen the thank you page, right? In this page, you have to paste the code. How to paste it in this page? Directly go to this page. Okay. In the content itself, we can paste the code. How to paste the code in the content? So directly, if you paste the code like this, it doesn't work actually. So you have to paste like this. Here, select HTML, custom HTML, copy it. So it's not visible. Update. Now see the websites. See the page. View page. See, the code is not visible, but the code is there already. Whoever coming to this page, Google Ad is tracking. My global site tag code is in every page, and in a thank you page, some event snippet code is there. That's it, guys. Now it will start tracking the conversions. So here it will show you what all the conversions we have it. This is the method, but easy method I'm going to show you with the Google Analytics in the next class. Any questions, guys? Pawan, do you have any question in this? Is it clear?
No, sir.
I'm not asking you to do this. Don't do this because it's better you do with the Google Analytics only. Okay, so we learned conversion tracking, how to do that. But before you do the conversion tracking, today we learned your website has to be good and make sure that you create a campaign with all these qualities. Make sure that thank you page is there already. Once the thank you page is there, we set up a conversion tracking. Okay. Next, you want to take a snaps, you can take it. Yeah. Done.
Done, sir.
Let's have a questions. All of you ready? Online students are here. Everybody put it in chat only. Layla vlog. Layla, where are you from? Which country? Guys, I'm going to ask some questions. All of you, even the classroom and online students, try to answer in the chat. Okay? Right. Thank you, Layla vlog. Okay. Guys, what is impression? What is impression? Put it in the chat. What is impression? Because how much we learned is not important. How much we remember, how much we practicing all. So I'm mentioning in the chat what is impression. Even online students also should answer. Pawan says results when we searched. Okay. Anyone else? Ravi Kumar, Aftab, Vivina Thomas. Try to answer your question. Leela vlog, you said you finished your fifth lecture. If you cover this, try to answer. Lakshmi, you also answer. What do you know about impression? So digital marketing codes in Hyderabad, your ad is up here. This is called impression. I think all of you know click. Click means customer click on this. So Google charge you per CPC. CPC means cost per click. The next question. Okay. What is ad rank? Tell me guys, what is ad rank? Leela blog from South Africa. Welcome. Kiran, hi. Tell me what is ad rank? Ad rank. Pawan, are you answering? Okay. Ad will appear in search results. Ad will appear in search results. Rank of top four on our SERP. Yeah. So ad rank means PC. But you know what? In interview, ad will appear in SCRP. It has to be perfect. Then only interview will consider you. Ad rank is nothing but position of your ad. It's correct, right? Where your ad is appearing. Position of your ad is called ad rank. Now tell me this. Ad rank depends on what? Ad rank depends on what? Okay, I got the answer from Pawan. I'm waiting for others. Okay, Leila, thank you very much. Max CPC. So ad rank depends on CPC. Okay, correct. Because if the person is paying highest, he'll be on top. Quality score on all these things, we will see later. Okay. And all of you know that SERP layout. Can you quickly write the SERP layout, guys? What is the SERP layout? How many ads top, how many ads bottom? Mallikarjun, you're not participating. Lakshmi, you're not participating. Top four ads and 10 organic results and three bottom. Yeah, mostly here top four, one, two, three, four ads and bottom three are ads. So forget about the organic results because we are in a Google ads. So only seven results are there. Don't tell me, sir, what about the second page? There is no second page. Second page ads are coming means those are the first page ads only. Okay, nobody pay for a second page bid actually. Okay, okay, good. So top four ads, bottom three ads. This is the one. Now we have different networks. We were talking about the search network only. Search network, what is your ad type? What kind of ad is yours? Search network. What is your ad type? Pawan got the answer. Other people try the answer. Ravi Kumar, quality score and CPC will discuss later. Text to ads, correct, Babu. Search network is a text to ad. Search network ad will appear where? Where your ad will appear? I'm looking for the correct answer. Exact. Yes, Pawan. SERP. The proper answer is SERP because ad will appear on SERP only. Okay. How will you target the ad to reach the particular people? How will you target the ad? Sham Siddha, correct. In search network, how will you target the ad? Ravi Kumar, you're talking about quality score and CPC. I'm just asking you, how will you target the ad to reach the right audience? How will you filter the ad? Pawan, you have any answer for this? Will your ad appear to everybody? Everybody throughout the world? Or how will you target the ad? How will you filter the ad? We learned in the second class itself. Location. Only location, anything else? Correct. Keyword. Bibina Thomas is correct. Keyword as well. Both, location and keyword. We discussed. Again, I'm going to write here. Please keep in mind. Search network. Ad is a text ad. Bidding type is CPC. Your ad will appear on SCRP. You will filter the ad based on the place and the keyword. This is what we learned. Okay. Someone quickly write this Google Ads account structure. Quickly write it. Google Ads account structure. What is first, second, third, fourth? Pawan, you started with campaign. Check it again. AdWords account structure starts with what? Bibina Thomas says that campaign, location, ad group, ads. Bibina Thomas, you're wrong. Pawan, write like Bibina Thomas. So it's very easy. Instead of one by one, you can write like this. Her answer is wrong. Bibina, your answer is wrong. But the way you're mentioning is correct. What about the others? Nobody have answer? Keywords. Guys, so don't miss the thing. Account structure is first account, then campaign, then ad groups, then keywords, then ads. Account is nothing but your client Gmail account. Your campaign is nothing but locations. Ad groups nothing but services. Keywords nothing but what keyword you want to target. Ad is nothing but text ad. We already decide with single Gmail account, how many ads account you can create? Tell me guys. आफ्ताब अकाउंट कैंपेन एड ग्रुप घुमा दिया आपने एंड श्याम सिद्धा you missed the keywords. Babu account campaign ad group keywords ads. Babu is correct. Yeah. Now what is the question I asked? Yeah. With single Gmail account, how many ads you can create? 20 ads accounts you can create. Perfect. But if you want more, what will you do? If you want to manage more than 20, what will you do? If you want to manage more than 20 accounts, what will you do? Does anybody remember? Other Gmail account is not an answer. That is always there. But if you're an agency like this, instead of creating account, yes, Bibina Thomas is correct. It's not BMC, MMC account, you're saying. MCC account, you should say. My Client Center. But nowadays they are calling as a manager account. So you can create a manager account. Agencies will go for a manager account. N number of clients you can handle. Okay, that's clear. Now we're dealing with this only. All of you know how to create a campaigns. A campaign locations to target ad group services, keywords, and ads. We already discussed the keyword match types as well. We have. Can you please quickly write the keyword match types? What are the keyword match types? You know, very quick. I want format like this. I want format like this. What are the ad groups you have? What are the keyword match types you have? Just mention like that. How many match types we have? So Pawan says broad match, phrase match, exact, negative, broad match modifier. Good. Broad, phrase, exact, negative, and broad match modifier also there. Okay. Okay. Perfect. How broad match works, guys? Someone tell me how broad match works. How the broad match works. So broad match, can you please write how broad match works? It will show the ad if any one of word from a keyword sentence is by the user. Good, Pawan. Single keyword match, single word matches ad will show. That's correct. That's why we'll go to phrase match. How will you specify a phrase match, guys? SEO codes in Hyderabad. I want to mention as a phrase match. How will you mention? Right, exactly. How will you specify a phrase match? So I want to know how people specify the phrase match. Sequence keywords. Yeah, Pawan has mentioned perfectly. SEO codes in Hyderabad, you have to write in a inverted commas like this. SEO codes in Hyderabad. This works in such a way that customer should not disturb the pattern, but he can add anything before and after. But only one problem in this: people can type free PDF, download this kind of thing. To overcome this, to filter that free PDF, what will you do, guys? To filter the free PDF and all these things, what are you going to do? Pawan says negative match. Correct. So you'll be going for a negative match. So yesterday I'll show you day before how to add the negative keyword. Okay. Next. How will you specify the exact match? Can you mention in the comment? Same SEO codes in Hyderabad. How will you specify SEO codes in Hyderabad, brackets. This works in such a way that customer should use the same, no front and no back. It has to be same. This is the exact match. Small companies should use this. I always suggest go for a phrase match with a negative match type. Someone tell me how to use SEO codes in Hyderabad as a broad match modifier. How to use broad match modifier? Someone tell me. I want to know how to use broad match modifier. Yes, Pawan, correct. SEO plus codes plus Hyderabad. This is the Pawan answer. It's perfect. This works in such a way that you should give spaces anyway. Broad works in such a way that if single word matches ad will appear. When it comes to broad match modifier works in such a way that with a plus symbol, whatever the word you have used, that should be there in a customer query. Sequence doesn't matter. Okay. Finally, let's talk about ad copy. Means in a search or text ad. Someone tell me how many headlines will be there and how many descriptions will be there and what are the characters. While you're mentioning the ad copy, how many headlines will be there, how many descriptions will be there, and what are their limit ad copy. 30 headlines, Lakshmi, it's not correct. Can you please check again? One, three headlines. Three you can use, but actually 15 headlines will be there and four descriptions. Among that, you can use three headlines, H1, H2, and H3 you can use. Each consists of 30 characters. Okay. When it comes to description, what is the description size? Description 4, but you can use maximum 2. Description size is 90 characters. These all things you have to remember mandatory for the interview. Anyway, when you're doing it for a number of times, it's very easy. Venkat, you know what? Someone try to answer this question instead of me answering the question. Bipina Thomas, Babu, Aftab, Pawan, Lakshmi. I put one question here. Just see this. Mr. Venkatesh has added the question. Sir, how audience come to know broad match, exact match? Casually they put search terms in Google. Let's see. If anyone understand the question, try to answer this.
Sir, why would a search user search for those words? Those are for us to make them search.
Venkat, so that is the correct answer. User will type manually only. That's the problem. User will type whatever you want. To control that only phrase match is there. This phrase match, we are hinting to Google that I don't want irrelevant keywords. That's why I'm mentioning the phrase match that customer should not disturb the pattern. If anyone typing irregular, Google will block them. Means Google will not show them. So try to understand this. That's why whenever you're learning something, deeply think. Then you will understand. I'm not saying that your question is wrong. Your question is not wrong. But if you think deeper, you'll understand, okay, this is not for the customer. This is the hint I'm giving for the Google.
He
Okay.
has to watch the past video, sir.
He might be watching, but sometimes uh, they could not able to think deeper actually. If they think deeper, they'll understand. It's okay. Not a problem to have the question, but again, I'm telling you, think deeper, you only understand. So We are not hinting anything because we don't have a control with a customer. We have a control with a Google only. That's what. Yeah. So we spoke about ad as well. Guys, name four extensions which you know. Ad extensions. What are the ad extensions you know? Just put it in the chat. Lakshmi, type all of them at a time. Comma, comma. So it will be good for you. So what are the four ad extensions which you know? Site link, call out. Next. So you're not brushing your knowledge. That's why you're not able to get the remaining things as well. That's why every time brush the knowledge. Site link. Next. Structure snippet and call extension, Lakshmi said. So site link, color structure, snippet, Kiran. Okay, structure snippet it is. So I'm mentioning here clearly site link, call out, structure snippet, and call extension. There are many others as well, but these four are very important. So someone tell me what is site link? What is site link when you're doing here? See, I'm searching here. So this guy used the site link, simply learn. These are the site links only. If I click here, it's go to eligible criteria, refer and earn, resources, corporate training. This is the site link only. So giving different parts of the links. Okay. What is call out extension, guys? Someone write me in the chat. What is call out extension? Yeah, site link is linked to other pages. What about the call out extensions?
The extra description.
Extra description, correct. Even structure snippet also extra description. You can see here. Yeah, this is the extra description. Extra description. Extra description. Now I'm looking for the call extension. Let us try. Now someone tell me what is this, guys? There is ad. What is this extension? Let's see how many of you understand and tell me. We've seen this site link. This is the site link. But what is this? On, what do you think? What is this?
Extra headlines.
Venkat, what do you mean by extra description? Where is that extra description? It's not extra description. What are you saying, Pawan?
Like those are services, sir.
Remember,
Those are services, extra services.
this is
No,
site
what?
links only. This is same like this only. But why
But in
this
a
is big?
different pattern.
Why? I told you already. Whenever you're giving a site link, it will ask you description as well. But the description will not appear if you're coming second or third. When you're coming on the first, sometimes it will be like this. So this is a site link only. So whenever you give a site link, it is asking to give the description. When you come on top, it will be like this. So remember that. Don't get
Okay,
confused.
sir.
It's a site link only. Okay. Now we covered account structure, keyword match type, ad extensions. Next question. Everything is fine. Your ad is live. You want to check where your ad is appearing, whether your ad is appearing or not. How to check, guys? How to check whether your ad is appearing or not? How to check whether your ad is appearing or not. Muhammad Aftab, you said preview ads. Where is that preview? Pawan, searching the keyword is a wrong answer. I told you, right? Companies will tell you, thank you very much. You can leave for the day. Pavitra says ad diagnosis. Can you please exactly clear me? You're part of correct. You're part of correct, but try to find the exact answer. Mohammad Aftab said preview ads. Add both of them. Add preview and diagnosis. Here, you have to click tools and settings, planning, add preview and diagnosis. So this terminology you have to remember. Now here, search your keyword. It will tell you whether your ad is appearing or not. If it is appearing, you can see your ad as well. If you say that I'll search on Google, yeah, that you can tell. Okay. Next, all of you know that we'll go to the keyword planner as well here. Tools and settings, planning, keyword planner. You'll come to know what all the keywords are there. At the same time, what is the minimum bid? What is the maximum bid? With this, you can understand, okay, what are the ranges? How much I should bid for the keyword, you will clearly understand. And for what keyword? See here, digital marketing course in Hyderabad, minimum bid is 39, maximum is 142. People who have a good money, you can go for 145 or 150 as max CPC. If some people have a less budget, you can go in between. Somewhere sixth or seventh will be coming. But if you have a good money, go with the 150. So there is a question. During a preview for ad is not appearing, ad will not appear because of n number of reasons actually. Okay. So again, I'll discuss elaborately here in the next class. Main thing is your ad is not appearing means you're bidding. Try to increase the bidding. Even though your bidding also good, ad is not appearing means there are n number of reasons. I'll show you 5 to 6 reasons why your ad is not appearing in the next class. Okay. Now today we learned conversion tracking actually. Before that we set up a website. To set up a conversion tracking, tools and settings, measurement, conversion. You have to select website conversion, then enter your domain name. Previously this option was not there, but I'll tell you why this is happening. And scroll down, select it manually. Conversion tracking also mandatory. Big companies will definitely do it. Add conversion manually. You have to select what is your website, that is sales or leads. Ours is the lead one. And what is the value you want to give? Someone tell me, when will you use every conversion? When will you use one conversion?
when
In
it's
what
a
situation you
promotional
have to
time.
select every? In what situation you have to select one? Please let me know in the chat. So for e-commerce, you will be using every. For a lead generation, you have to use one. Perfect. Once you click on done, you will be getting codes. There are two kinds of codes you'll be getting. One is the global site tag, one is the event snippet. Global site tag you have to paste in every page, whereas I'll show you that. But don't do this, we're gonna do it with the analytics. So this code you have to paste it in every page, and when it comes to this code, you have to paste it in a thank you page. In the initial of this class, I already explained you how to create a thank you page. That's it, guys. We've done almost the revision. We'll be having a live exam on this maybe in the next week. Pawan, now it's time. You and your friends sit and finish the campaign. I want a live campaign. I want to see the numbers actually. So run this ad for 2 to 3 days. If your campaign is really working good, I'll give the budget. If the leads are coming, if I have a confidence on the website, I'll give the budget so you can keep on monitoring it. As of now, for a project, you people add 500, 500, and definitely you people make mistakes. You have to learn from the mistakes. If
Okay,
you
sir.
make the mistakes, then only I can show the mistakes. If there are no mistakes, nobody will learn. That's why I'm not going to help anything. Let's make the mistakes. Yeah, so guys, there is no class tomorrow because these people are running the ads. At least we have to observe the data for 2 days. Okay. Again, we'll meet on Monday. Monday, we'll discuss what mistakes they have done, how to rectify the mistakes, how to move forward with learning. Pawan, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Pawan, is everything is fine?
Yeah, fine, sir.
So talk to your friends and collaboratively run the ad. We'll see you on Monday again. Directly, I'll see your campaign. There should be some good news on that. If you got any calls, forward to that number. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Chalo, guys. Thank you very much, and I hope you're learning with the classes. And as we discussed before, we starting a 6 months batch. Good news is without spending money, we have converted 5 leads. We're looking for more. Today I made one video as well on that. So try to pull out leads from you. I'm giving you 10,000 as a referral amount. Yeah, this is the post I posted here. Even there is a Google form here. Someone click here, they'll come here. But you don't have to paste this. What I want you is post it on your story. You only make a creative, put your number. If any leads comes, just forward to us. Give it to me. We will convert, and if that guy convert, we're gonna give you 10,000 as a referral amount, so that it will help me. My target is 20 joinings. We already reached 5 joinings. I'm waiting for 15 more by September 10th. Okay, and if anyone want to give the leads instead of me, you can give it to this number as well. 834. My team will take care. And we have two batches actually. One is 3 months, one is 6 months. 3 months is 25,000, and 2 months plus 1 month internship. Whereas 6 months is 65,000. Whereas 4 months plus 2 months internship. Both of them job guarantee program will make a student perfect for the job at the same time for a business and for freelance as well. So I hope so many people in your area, maybe BTech, BBA, MBA done, and they're jobless. Try to find them, motivate them. I'm telling you, this is not only for our business, for your referral. That guy also get benefit. Everybody win-win. For me, without spending money, I'm getting a lead. For you, you getting a referral money. For that guy, career will be good. Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. We'll see you on Monday. And meanwhile, apart from my classroom students, you people also put a budget on your campaigns and see how it is working and show me in Excel sheet what is the problem so that I'll try to fix that issues. Thank you very much. We'll see you on Monday.